Hello guys, how are you guys doing? We are here doing some questions on completing the square as per the request or offering towards one of my students. So we've got x squared plus x plus 6 as an expression, and they're asking us to write it in the form x plus a squared plus b. So this square bit is the giveaway that it's in the completing the square form. The way in which this works is we write x and then we take half the coefficient of the x term here. So in this case, the coefficient is 8, so half of that is 4, in particular plus 4. Then we square it. Then we take away the result of this number squared. And then we put the remaining plus 6. Okay, that is it. That's all it is. Now we're just going to simplify it. So x plus 4 all squared minus 16 plus 6, which simplifies to x plus 4 all squared minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10. So if you had to, they haven't asked you to do that here, but if you had to, you can say a equals 4 and b equals minus 10. But they haven't asked you to do that. This is just me naming these things. But your final answer would be x plus 4 squared minus 10. That's it. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we've got another question here. Write x squared plus 12x minus 1 in the form x plus a all squared plus b. So again, x, we take half the coefficient here. So 12, half of 12 is 6. So plus 6 all squared. Take away this number squared. So 6 squared, take away 1, which simplifies to x plus 6 all squared, take away 36, take away 1. So that simplifies to x plus 6 all squared minus 37. That's it, guys. Let's keep going. Okay, another question. Looks kind of meh, but let's go for it. Same thing. X, half the coefficient of 6 is 3. This time it's a minus, so it's minus 3 squared. Take away the square of this. Technically, we can do this. Minus 3 squared. And then we put the minus 3. So we have x minus 3 squared minus, and then minus 3 squared is positive 9. So it's minus 9 because of this minus out here. Minus 3. That simplifies to x minus 3 all squared minus 12. Okay. So here, they actually want us to work out the values of a and b before I skip over. So if they're asking us to write it in the form x minus a, and we've got x minus 3, that means a is 3. And if they're asking for minus b and we've got minus 12, then b is equal to 12. Next part, hence solve that equation. It's the same equation, and it's equal to 0. So what we can do is write our complete the square form, which is x minus 3 all squared minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the same thing as that expression underneath. Adding 12 to both sides gives us x minus 3 squared equals 12. So therefore, if you square root both sides, x minus 3 is equal to the square root of 12, or x minus 3 equals minus the square root of 12. That therefore means that x equals 3 plus the square root of 12, adding 3 to both sides here, or x equals 3 minus the square root of 12, again, adding 3 to both sides. Okay, and that gives us, well, you can have these as answers because they haven't asked us to write it in a certain form. But if you want to practice your simplification of surds, we can write this as x plus 3. No, what am I saying? No, that will not do. X equals 3 plus root 4 root 3, which is x equals 3 plus the square root of 4 is 2 root 3, or x equals 3 minus 2 root 3, because again, root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. That's just a bit of practice of surds. If people want me to explain surds, let me know. I can make some videos. And cool, that's it. And we'll do some more.